I like to tell all of my clients that I'm not just a real estate agent, I'm also an investor. So I decided to show you this project that I recently took on and completed. This was an abandoned industrial warehouse that was turned into a single family home in the 1970s, I think. It was obviously abandoned and had been for a while, so there was a lot of neglect. I was able to get it as a wholesale from someone and immediately went to work. While the siding wasn't too bad, I decided to replace it, to put a partial new metal roof. And as you can see now, it's got nice dark iron ore paint. The brick has been redone, and we got new doors and windows installed. It was quite the project, but I think it turned out pretty nice. I was going for a modern industrial feel, as I feel like that is currently up to date. And this nice stained privacy fence complemented the colors well. The interior was a whole nother ballgame, with 7-inch thick flooring concrete and cinder block throughout. It was a beast to tackle with plumbing and electrical. I ended up deciding to remove all of the ceilings and leave the beams exposed to give it a modern industrial feel that I feel like is popular today. All of these I included and made a quadruplex with at least 1 to 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom each. They all also got all new electrical, all new plumbing, all new drywall, appliances, everything. Here's the interior. Isn't it nice? I love the steel beams. I love the industrial feel. The black trim work is nice and modern and gives it a nice updated feel. And that brick fireplace looks so good. I think that these will rent fantastically. I have yet to actually rent them, but I'm hoping to get somewhere between $1,100 and $1,400 per apartment.